Hi friends, today we will learn how to make text transparent on PowerPoint 2020. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to make transparent text in this presentation. Go to the new slide option, then go to the blank slide, then go to the insert menu, click the word art drop down menu, then choose any word art. Now I select the word art and write or insert any text on this word art. Then select the word art and go back the home menu. Then increase the font size. Then go to the shape format menu and click the format text effects or text box. Then go to the fill. Then increase the transparency. Then click on the page. Now we can see here the text transparent, but we not make sure the text is transparent. Now we want to make sure text transparent. Go to the insert menu again and click the picture. Then insert a picture to make sure the text transparent. Then click picture right button and send to picture back. Then we can see we finally make sure the text is transparent. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.